Welcome to this computer-based training module. The module will introduce you to the PDI and periodic maintenance. The list shows the course objectives and the topics covered in this module. Purpose of pre-delivery inspection. PDI or pre-delivery inspection is inspection of the fit and finish and operation of functional components of a new vehicle before delivery to the customer. Pre-delivery inspection of vehicle is very important function, and it is as important as the final check of vehicle in production line. PDI is done to ensure that vehicle is in its best condition at the time of delivery to customer. Maruti Suzuki inspects every new vehicle produced for quality before it is dispatched to dealers. However, vehicle passes through various handling processes before it is received by customer. During this handling, some unexpected problems such as damage, theft may happen. Hence, PDI is extremely important to ensure that vehicle condition meets the customer expectations at the time of delivery. Improper inspection or ignoring it at this stage may lead to complaints from customers. PDI check sheet. The PDI should be carried out as per the PDI check sheet. The check sheet contains boxes for the technician to write the job done in case of each inspection item on the vehicle. When the item is inspected, adjusted, cleaned, tightened, repaired, replaced or lubricated, the OK box can be ticked. When the PDI is completed, the technician and PDI in charge should sign the check sheet to confirm that vehicle is ready for handover to showroom. The table shows the PDI check sheet for underhood or seats of vehicle. The table shows the PDI check sheet for underbody of vehicle. The table shows the PDI check sheet for inside inspection of vehicle. The table shows the PDI check sheet for outside inspection of vehicle. The table shows the PDI check sheet for road test of vehicle. The table shows the PDI check sheet for remaining final checks or special checks as informed by the factory. Benefits of periodic maintenance. To keep vehicle in proper operating condition, it should be serviced at the intervals specified in periodic maintenance schedule. Adhering to periodic maintenance schedule has following benefits: safe and proper operation of vehicle, desired performance from vehicle including fuel efficiency, longer life of vehicle and its systems such as engine, transmission, etc., validity of warranty coverage, overall lesser ownership cost. The table shows the periodic maintenance schedule for various vehicle systems and their components.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.